Tucked along the golden coastline of Puerto Vallarta, the Sunset Plaza Beach Resort has quietly built itself a reputation as one of those classic Mexican getaways that delivers exactly what a sun-seeking traveler is hoping for. Sitting on Diego Rivera Street in the Zona Hotelera Las Glorias, this four-star resort has been welcoming guests for years, and it manages to walk that fine line between affordable comfort and genuine vacation magic. With hundreds of reviews already on the books, it has earned its place as a familiar name for travelers heading to the Pacific side of Mexico. The location alone gives it a strong starting hand, with the warm Banderas Bay just steps from the front doors. Add in the kind of friendly staff that Puerto Vallarta is famous for, and you have the makings of a memorable stay. Now, when it comes to the rooms themselves, the Sunset Plaza puts its best foot forward by giving every guest an ocean view, which is honestly the kind of perk that turns a regular vacation into something you brag about back home. Guests consistently mention how the rooms feel clean, spacious, and surprisingly modern in their decor, which is a pleasant surprise for a resort in this price range. You can expect a comfortable mix of room categories that suit different kinds of travelers, from couples looking for a quiet retreat to families needing a bit more space to spread out. The beds are described as comfortable, the bathrooms are reported to be well kept, and the overall vibe inside the rooms leans toward bright, beachy, and easy to relax in. It is the sort of room where you wake up, pull back the curtains, and immediately remember why you booked a beach vacation in the first place. Beyond the standard layouts, the resort offers larger room options that work well for families or groups of friends traveling together, and the layout of the building makes it easy to enjoy that signature ocean view from a private balcony. Modern touches like air conditioning, flat-screen televisions, and reliable amenities round out the experience, even if the resort does not lean heavily on flashy smart room technology. For travelers who need accessible features, the property does its best to accommodate, with ground-level access points and staff willing to help guests get settled in comfortably. The overall impression is that the rooms are practical, pleasant, and built around the view rather than trying to overcomplicate things. In a destination like Puerto Vallarta, that is usually exactly the formula guests are hoping for. When the time comes to eat, the Sunset Plaza Beach Resort offers a dining experience that leans into the easygoing, all-inclusive vibe that so many travelers head to Mexico for. The on-site restaurants serve up a mix of international favorites and Mexican classics, giving guests the chance to enjoy familiar comfort food one night and then dive into local flavors the next. You can expect dishes ranging from fresh seafood pulled from the nearby Pacific to grilled meats, salads, pastas, and the kind of breakfast spread that lets you fuel up for a long day at the beach. The buffet-style options are a hit with families who want variety, while the more relaxed sit-down spots appeal to couples looking for a slower pace. It is a casual approach to dining, but one that gets the job done with a smile. For travelers who like a drink in hand while they soak up the sunshine, the bars at Sunset Plaza tend to be one of the most enjoyable parts of the stay. There is something special about sipping a cold cocktail with your toes near the sand, and the bartenders here seem to take pride in keeping the glasses full and the conversation flowing. Expect classic Mexican favorites like margaritas, palomas, and ice-cold local beers, along with the usual lineup of tropical mixed drinks that pair perfectly with a poolside afternoon. The swim-up bar tends to be a popular hangout, and the lobby bar offers a slightly more relaxed setting for an evening nightcap. It is the kind of atmosphere where strangers easily become friends by the second round. Speaking of poolside afternoons, the pool and beach setup at Sunset Plaza Beach Resort is one of the property's strongest features. The resort sits directly on the sand, giving guests easy access to the warm waters of Banderas Bay without needing to walk across busy streets or wait for shuttles. The main pool area is spacious, well-maintained, and surrounded by plenty of loungers for guests to claim throughout the day. Whether you want to spend your morning swimming laps, your afternoon floating with a drink, or your evening watching the famous Puerto Vallarta sunset paint the sky, the pool deck delivers on every count. The combination of pool and beach access in one easy package is exactly what most travelers come to this part of Mexico to enjoy. The beach itself is one of the calmer stretches in the Hotelera Las Glorias zone, with soft sand and the kind of gentle surf that makes it easy to wade in for a swim. Loungers and umbrellas are typically available along the sand, and the resort does a solid job of keeping the area clean and inviting throughout the day. Water activities tend to pop up along this stretch of coastline, with local vendors offering everything from parasailing to banana boat rides to paddleboard rentals for guests who want a little adventure. Even if you just want to take a long walk along the bay, the location makes it easy to explore the broader hotel zone on foot. It is a setup that rewards both the active travelers and the ones who just want to nap in the shade. For guests who want to stay busy beyond the pool and beach, the resort offers a friendly mix of activities that keep the days feeling full without ever being overwhelming. There are typically organized games, group fitness sessions, and beach activities led by the entertainment team, who are known for their high-energy approach and willingness to drag even the most reluctant guest into a round of water volleyball. A small fitness center is available for those who want to squeeze in a workout, and the resort can usually point guests toward nearby options for tennis, golf, and other sports in the Puerto Vallarta area. Cultural touches show up throughout the week as well, with live music, dance performances, and tastings that highlight Mexican traditions. It is the kind of programming that turns a quiet afternoon into something memorable. The evening entertainment is another area where Sunset Plaza tends to win over guests, with themed nights and live shows that give the resort a fun social energy. Whether it is a traditional folkloric performance, a modern tribute show, or just a casual karaoke night, there is usually something happening to draw guests out of their rooms after dinner. For travelers who would rather skip the organized fun and explore on their own, the location makes it easy to grab a cab into town for a night out. The balance between resort-led activities and the freedom to explore Puerto Vallarta on your own terms is one of the things that makes this property feel flexible. Whether you are a planner or a wanderer, the resort accommodates both styles. When it is time to slow things down, the spa and wellness side of the resort offers a peaceful retreat from the buzz of the pool deck. Treatments tend to focus on the classics, with massages, facials, and body treatments designed to melt away whatever tension the long flight or the hectic work week left behind. Many guests find that a beachfront massage with the sound of the waves rolling in just steps away is one of the highlights of their entire trip. Sauna and steam options round out the experience, giving travelers a chance to fully unwind after a day in the sun. The therapists are typically described as skilled and attentive, which is exactly what you want when you are paying for a moment of pure relaxation. For guests who lean into the wellness side of vacation, the resort can usually arrange yoga sessions and other gentle movement classes that work well in the warm coastal climate. Sunrise yoga on the beach is one of those simple pleasures that travelers come back for year after year, and Puerto Vallarta is the kind of place that practically demands you spend a little time stretching with the sound of the ocean in the background. While the resort does not market itself as a hardcore wellness retreat, it offers enough to help guests feel refreshed and recharged. Pair the treatments with a healthy meal and a long walk on the beach, and it is easy to leave the property feeling lighter than when you arrived. That balance of rest and gentle activity is what a good beach vacation should always feel like. For families traveling with little ones, Sunset Plaza Beach Resort is not an adults-only property, which makes it a welcoming option for parents who want a beach getaway without leaving the kids at home. The resort typically offers a kids club with supervised activities, giving the younger guests a place to play, craft, and meet other kids while the parents get a much-needed break. Pool games, beach scavenger hunts, and themed afternoons help fill the day with fun, and the staff are usually patient and warm with the youngest travelers. It is the kind of setup that allows parents to actually relax instead of spending the entire vacation chasing children around the resort. That alone makes it worth considering for families. Teens and older kids also tend to find plenty to do between the pool, the beach, the games, and the occasional movie night or group activity. The resort's location in the hotel zone means there are nearby options for ice cream runs, shopping, and family-friendly excursions just a short ride away. Parents traveling with babies and toddlers will appreciate the practical layout of the property, which makes it easy to get from room to pool to restaurant without long treks across the grounds. The family-friendly atmosphere is one of the reasons this resort sees so many repeat guests. It is not flashy in its kids' programming, but it is genuine and reliable, which is often what matters most. Stepping outside the resort, the location puts guests within easy reach of some of the best parts of Puerto Vallarta. The famous Malecon, a lively oceanfront walkway packed with shops, restaurants, sculptures, and street performers is just a short bus or cab ride away and is essentially required viewing for any first-time visitor. The Old Town area with its cobblestone streets and colorful buildings offers a slower-paced afternoon of browsing, sipping coffee, and finding hidden corners worth photographing. Marina Vallarta in the other direction gives travelers a chance to explore boutique shopping, waterfront dining, and jumping-off points for boat tour to nearby beaches and islands. The location strikes a nice balance between quiet beach stay and easy access to the action. For travelers who like to explore beyond the city limits, the Puerto Vallarta area is loaded with day trip options. Boat trips to the hidden beaches around Yalapa and the Marietas Islands are popular, as are zipline tour through the surrounding jungle for the adventurous crowd. Cultural day trips to nearby towns offer a chance to see traditional crafts, taste local food, and learn a little about the region's history. Even the local markets in town are worth a wander for anyone hunting souvenirs or fresh tropical fruit. With so much to see in every direction, the resort works well as a comfortable home base for travelers who want to experience the broader region. Pulling it all together, Sunset Plaza Beach Resort earns its reputation as a solid, dependable choice for travelers heading to Puerto Vallarta. The ocean views from every room, the friendly staff that guests rave about, and the clean, spacious accommodations all combine to create a stay that feels like real value for the money. The food, the drinks, the pool, the beach, and the easygoing atmosphere all add up to a vacation that hits the marks most travelers care about. It is not the flashiest resort on the Strip, and it does not try to compete with the newer luxury properties that have popped up around the bay. What it does instead is deliver a reliable, comfortable, and warm experience that keeps guests coming back. Of course, no resort is perfect, and travelers should know that a property of this age and style is not going to feel brand new in every corner. Some guests may notice that certain areas could use a refresh, and the entertainment, while fun, may feel familiar to those who travel often. Still, when weighed against the strong location, the friendly service, and the consistent quality of the basics, those small points feel easy to overlook. The resort plays to its strengths, and those strengths are exactly what make a Puerto Vallarta beach vacation memorable. For most travelers, the trade-off is more than fair. What really makes Sunset Plaza Beach Resort stand out is the combination of guaranteed ocean views, beachfront location, and the warm Mexican hospitality that runs through every interaction. Not every resort can promise that every single room looks out over the water, and that one detail alone gives this property an edge over many of its competitors. Add in the friendly staff, the clean rooms, and the easy access to both the beach and the broader Puerto Vallarta area, and the resort offers a package that punches above its weight. It is a place that understands what travelers want from a beach vacation and delivers it without unnecessary fuss. That clarity of purpose is genuinely refreshing. For travelers planning group trips, small business retreats, or even destination weddings, the resort offers event and meeting facilities that can be arranged through the property. The beachfront setting alone makes it an attractive option for ceremonies and celebrations, while indoor spaces can be configured for meetings, presentations, and group dinners. The staff are experienced in helping coordinate these kinds of events, which takes a lot of the stress out of planning from afar. Whether it is a small wedding party or a corporate group looking for a change of scenery, the property can accommodate. It is another way the resort quietly extends its reach beyond the typical leisure traveler. In the end, the guest experience at Sunset Plaza Beach Resort is built on the small moments that add up over a week of vacation. It is the bartender who remembers your drink order by the second day, the housekeeper who folds the towels into shapes that make the kids laugh, and the waiter who recommends the dish you would have otherwise skipped. It is the morning view of the bay from your balcony, the slow afternoon nap to the sound of the waves, and the evening cocktail as the sun drops below the horizon. These are the moments that travelers remember long after the suitcases are unpacked, and they are exactly what this resort does well. For anyone looking for a friendly, reliable, ocean view escape in Puerto Vallarta, Sunset Plaza Beach Resort is well worth a closer look. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content, If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.